here's how I made little paper flowers out of toilet paper rolls. So it's really easy. You take a roll and smash it flat. And then I measured 1/2 inch pieces. And I just marked it with a pen. And then I'm just going to cut it on this giant paper cutter. So each roll makes 8 pieces, and then you just take a hot glue gun and glue them together, and you get this. To make the smaller one, flatten it out, I'm going to cut the same 8 pieces. So now to make the smaller one, you're just going to take all 8 of these petals and fold each one in half again. So for the smaller ones, 1 toilet paper roll is actually going to make 2 flowers. So 4 pieces each. And then again, you just hot glue it together, bump these out a little bit, get it the shape that you want, and you'll get something like this. So all kinds of different uses for these, and I would love to see what you do with them. So put a little drop of glue on the end, and glue 2 pieces together, lining up the corners. Hold it for a few seconds to dry. Last one, you're going to put glue on both sides. And there you go. One paper flower. I'll do a little one. So remember, this one you're only going to need 4 pieces. So I'm actually going to put a drop of glue in the crease here. And that's going to make these first 2 petals. Do that for all 4 first. Oops. Okay, and now I'm just going to glue these 4 pieces together. So it will have 8 petals, just like the bigger ones. Just line up the corners. And for the last one, put glue on both sides. And there we go. Get rid of that extra glue when it's totally dry. 2 sizes of paper flowers.